bag, I think, of sour cream and onion chips if you want something later.
Okay. Golden arrow.
Well, you did have some hogs already ate them all. Yeah, forget it. Somebody already ate the whole bag. The whole fucking bag? Brandon, have you got sour cream and onion chips in your room?
No, just need your hand.
I lied to you.
Huh?
I lied to you. You have no chips. You have a brand new bag. Move. You got sour cream and onion chips right here? I don't know who ate them. So, when Dad makes his salad for lunch tomorrow, there ain't gonna be no more salad next. You got to finish off your pizza rolls. You want a grilled cheese sandwich, bub?
Yeah, I mean, sure.
That's the way people eat. The food they eat. If I ate the way some of you kids eat, I'd fucking be the biggest cow there was.
And it's a pink flamingo. That's what it is. It's a flamingo. Flamingo. Down. Yeah, do you see that pink spot over there on the hill? You see that pink spot? That's him. Sniper. And he's got a no scope. He's got no scope. I kind of rhymed. Hot done. Take a look at the body. So he's gonna fight Peter.
These ate basically a whole bag of salad mix, pizza rolls. What? Hey! Where are you goddamn? He's had chicken nuggets, he's had pizza rolls.
Half of it was on last night, so.
Hey, it's cake complaint. It's healthier than
healthier than duck food. Sandy, just go fucking water
Some
again.
huge flamingo.
Dryer. That's what you've been doing. I will cook. Hold on.
Get it started for me. I know my good.
Oh, he's ready. He's ready.
Oh yeah, she's mad as fuck.
Do what?
Mad as fuck.